Introducing the Collaboratory, the brand new makerspace located at the Northbrook Public Library. What's a makerspace, you ask? A makerspace is a collaborative place that encourages exploration, creativity, designing, and building using a variety of media, tools, technology, and objects. The Collaboratory features a laser cutter, a Carvey CNC machine, 3D printers, a 3D scanner, a Cricut Explorer Air 2, an embroidery machine, sewing machines, and fiber arts tools, as well as Arduinos and Raspberry Pis. The Collaboratory also features 2 rooms: the Peltz digitization room, where you can convert your old photos, records, tapes, and 8mm or Super 8 film from analog to digital files, and the Peltz Digital Media Lab, where you can create music, record podcasts, use our green screen, and much more with Apple software and Adobe Creative Cloud. So please, stop by the Collaboratory at the Northbrook Public Library, where there's something for the maker in all of us.